Substitution, number 47 out, number 3 in. Inbound by number 3. Number 3, Eros, inbound to number 4. Pass to number 7. Iato to Cosme. Cosme drives. No, rebound. By outside. Orange ball, orange ball. Number 47, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 4. No, rebound by Cosme. Pass to number 4. Hala. Pass to Biato. Biato drives. Pass to number 20. Blank. Number 47, Oryx. Drives. No, rebound. By number 18. Still number 18. Pass. Go. Foul by number 4. Number 4 foul. Fourth team foul by Swindon. Inbound by number 18 to number 47. Time remaining 2 minutes 57 seconds. Number 18 right. No, rebound by number 3. Number 3 still dribbling the ball. Pass to Bianco. Bianco traveling. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Number 4 out. Number 8 in. Number 7 out. Number 6 in. Time out, rep. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to 23. Pass to 18 again. Pass to 47. Pass. No. Rebound by number 23. Pushing foul. Pushing foul by... Push foul, rep. Number 8. Foul. Number 6. Signaling the play. Pass to number 3. Still number 3. Pass to number 6. Kielan. Pass to Cosme. Cosme drives for 2. 2 points for Cosme. Time left 2 minutes 9 seconds. Number 18. Dribbling the ball. Looking for teammates. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 23. Pass for 3. Air ball. Rebound. Outside. White ball. Time left 1 minute 49. Score 78. Number 6. Pass to number 3. Interception outside. By number 18. Still white ball. Inbound by number 3. Pass to number 6. Kielan. Pass to Cosme. Cosme par for 2. Good. 2 points for Cosme. Score 98. Number 18 pass for 3. No. Rebound by number 8. Pass to nobody. Number 32. Drive. No. Rebound. Foul. Foul by number 32.
Penalty na.
Pass to Cosme for no. Number 23. Pass break. Still. Number 23 dribbling the ball. Number 47. 47. Right. Goal. Interception. Outside. Eros. Pass to number 0.
Yan.
Started! Started!
47. Pass break. Pass to number 18. Foul. Substitution ref. Foul by number 20. White, number 20 foul.
Oh.
Swindon, 5 foul. Pass break to Cosme. That's long. 2 points for Cosme. Score. 21-8. 13-point lead by the Swindon. Number 47. 47. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 3 seconds. What's that rep? Leon. Rep, ano yun? Ten seconds left. 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds.
10 seconds eh.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good na po yung mga engineer dito. By number 72. Pass to number 1. Number 23. Still number 18. Pass. Almost intersection. Pass to number 72. Pass for 2. No. Rebound by Cosme. Number 3. Pass to number 47. No, it drives. For 2. 2 points for number 47. Pass break to number 18. Orange pass.
Ow.
Still, orange ball. Score 23-8. Okay na. Rebound, number 4. Pass, block. Still, number 4. Pass to 23. Pass, down. Rebound by number 6. Pass to nobody. Pass to number 18. Right. Good. Number 47, Noy. Looking for number 3. Still, number 3. Foul.
Bola.
It's in foul by number 18. Orange.
Parang sinid.
Orange warning for penalty. Number 0 for 2. The score 25-10. 15-point lead by Swindon. Number 23. Pass to number 72. Drives. Number 3, guarded by number 1. Still number 3, looking for Cosme. 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 Right. So, rebound. Interception by Noy. Number 47, Noy. Fires for 3. Air ball.